people around me and respect and value every creation of God.
स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रन हो कॉन्सेप्ट कारगिल वॉरांत पांय गेल्लो मेजर DP सिंहाचो. देशांतले स्वच्छ भारत अभियान आनी सिंहाचो स्वताचो कॅम्पेन दिव्यांगांक समाजांतल्या मुख्य प्रवाहान हाडपाचो मेळून घडयिल्लो हो स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रन आयतारा सकाळी कांपालार जालो. हे कार्यावळीक 10 आनी 3 किलोमीटर रेसी जाल्यो. 1086 लोकांनी स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रनांत वांटो घेतिल्लो. दादल्यांच्या 10 किलोमीटर रनांत विनाश कुमार पयलो आयलो जाल्यार बायलांचे सर्तींत प्रतीक्षा प्रभू जिखले. समाजांत दिव्यांगाचे महत्व खूप आसता अशें म्हणत मनोहर पर्रीकरान तांकां प्रोत्साहन दिलें.
I consider Divyang as a very important component of the society. They can contribute more than sometimes normal person. And I have seen these abilities, while they have disadvantage in certain faculties, I have seen their abilities in some other faculties growing to the best of the level. And the confidence which we think we need to give them comes from various activities including education.
दिव्यांगाक सगळ्या तरेन मजत करपाचो हेतू स्पश्ट करत ब्लेड रनर म्हणून फामाद आशिल्लो DP सिंग प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो.
This is my NGO, the Challenging One. This Challenging One NGO is something in which I endeavor by the means of sports enabling people. Right? Thank you, sir. So, the Challenging One I started in 2011 after doing my first blade run. I remember the day, in fact there are few challengers of my group here floating around also, all the amputees. I remember the day when they were so much inhibited by the disability that it was difficult for me to even make them speak to each other. That I am talking about 2011. From that day, from one person to another, it's like a chain of family members. If one person do some activity, he puts up about that activity in front of others and others gets inspired, then somebody else join, then somebody else join. Like that the chain has joined and today we are 1400 amputees connected, and out of 1400 around, Arun come here, around 400 are such who have already participated in various running events. Arun has come specially from Bangalore. If you see, he is an amputee. Yes. And he, before he could complete his first year of amputation, we both have together done a 10-kilometer run in Bangalore. So this is the spirit which we get inspired from the action of each other.
गोंयांत जाल्लो हो स्वच्छ एबिलिटी रन आता बेळगांव, हुबळी, मंगलोर आनी बेंगलोराकूय जातलो. प्रुडंटा खातीर नीरज प्रभू आनी तुळशीदास च्यारी.